Hi, look at the bright light, just like you. Where did you get it from? This is from TikTok shop. It came with this diffuser. It's actually a flashlight. So when I take it off, look at this. This is how wide it gets, and then I can telescope it. So I can
That
see
is so
far away.
cool.
Look at that. I can see everything so nice and clear. And then it also has a lantern over here.
Oh my
Look at that.
god.
Perfect for camping. I keep it in my
It is
car if
perfect.
I ever get stuck working on my engine. So I can take a look. I can go hands-free on this. This carabiner helped me hang it up here, and I was able to do work in my car.
That's awesome. Where can I get it?
Yeah, I'll leave a link below right here. You can go get it.
You're a lifesaver.